So I'm really excited to share my current go-to favorite breakfast right now, which is pumpkin spice oatmeal. And it's super easy, and if you've made anything pumpkin, you just have a little bit of pumpkin left over, this is perfect for that. But also, I opened a can of pumpkin for this. It's that good. So easy peasy. So we start with our oats, 3/4 of a cup. So I do 2 tablespoons. You don't need to be super precise with your measurements, okay? Don't stress about it, it's not a big deal. And then I've got pumpkin pie spice. So I will link up there to my recipe for my own pumpkin pie spice mix. But you can use store-bought, you can use whatever you have on hand. You can also just use cinnamon, totally fine. And then you get a teaspoon of your pumpkin pie spice. You have water. This is like 1 1/4 cup. If you want it a little bit more liquidy, you can add more water. And then I am gonna add a little bit of dark brown sugar. You don't need to do that. If you don't, you'll save like 30 calories, but I love that kind of brown sugar flavor with my pumpkin spice. There you go. I'm like packing it in there too. Okay, and that's it. We're gonna stir it together. I use quick cooking oats, so I'm just gonna make this in the microwave. It's gonna take about 2 minutes. I'm gonna do 1 minute, stir, and then another minute, and then I'll stir it, and then it'll be ready. Now, if you don't have a microwave, then you can definitely make this on the stovetop, or you can just boil the water with the quick oats. You can boil the water and then pour it on top, and then it'll be ready. Just like instant oatmeal, honestly. That's it. 3 minutes, you have a 260 calorie breakfast. It's super filling and perfect for fall and winter and all the pumpkin spice. I'm gonna get some here, excuse me. Oh my gosh, it's divine. It tastes like pumpkin and spices, and like it's a teensy bit sweet, but it's also super savory. Oh, yes. The best breakfast ever!